Adam here, back again. We're now on module 6, episode 6. Today I thought I'd take you through how to mess around with some liquidity pools in PancakeSwap, Uniswap, etc. We'll stick to Uniswap today, but it's good to be back, guys. I hope I'm helping you, hope I'm serving you. And like I said, my goal is if I can just help one person to get into crypto and make a success out of it, like I've been able to do in my life, that'd be fantastic. If you haven't already, guys, and it's not your first day on the course, you can go back to the beginning of the course. But again, it's totally free. It's a 7-week course teaching you the basics, intermediate about crypto. Obviously, again, my strategy is pretty much Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do buy altcoins during bull markets and try to take my profits, although I'll be honest, I haven't been perfect at that over the years. So lesson is take your profits. No one's ever gone bankrupt taking profits. So yeah. So let's get right into it. So obviously the first thing you want to do is make sure your MetaMask is connected. So obviously we're connected. We come to Uniswap. It should be uniswap.org. Then you just simply launch the app. And then obviously you could decide what pool you wanted to go into, etc. So for example, if I click on pool here, and I can explore the top pools. So let's just say, top pool here. These are obviously the kind of top pools, but kind of like the lowest risk. Obviously, if you put Ethereum with something like USDC, it's going to be pretty stable. You're going to get minimum impermanent losses, etc. Obviously, if you put Ethereum with, coin 9,999, you're probably going to end up losing your Ethereum because the coin's going to drop so much. The impermanent loss on a 50-50, etc. It's going to end up wiping you out. It's happened to me before. I've been in some stupid products. I've listened to some so-called YouTubers, which has prompted me to make a channel and help people not make the mistakes that I've made. But I've gone into pools, like I said, Moonswap being one, Ethereum. I lost probably around 100 Ethereum in my naive days. So just be careful. Don't bet the farm, and obviously play it safe. Obviously, even stablecoin pools have gone bust, like USD, Terra Luna. So the Terra Luna stablecoin UST, and people that have put like Ethereum with it, they've ended up losing a fortune because the stablecoin's gone bust. You could earn UST at the time. It was 20% interest on your stablecoin, but obviously that was a scam, as we know. So you really got to be careful. To be honest, though, I don't touch anything other than USDC. Unless, obviously, I can't get the pair, then I'll use USDT. I just prefer USDC because it's more US-based. I think it's more regulated, etc. So that's just my opinion. So let's just say we wanted to go into a pool here. USDC. Let me just turn my phone on airplane mode. Someone's trying to ring me. Let's just say I wanted to go into USDC to Ethereum. All I do is click on the pool. And you can kind of see everything we need to know. So what we would do then, we know this pool exists. So you could add liquidity here. So we need wrapped ETH, and USDC. So we'd have to actually go back and buy wrapped ETH and USDC. So I can't see the ratio here for some reason. Normally you can get the ratio. Let's just pretend we got 100. So basically, for every 100 USDC, we need to put in 0.7 wrapped ETH. So obviously, do the calculations. So let's just say we needed to buy that. So if you go back to here on this, we need to actually go to tokens. Bear with me. Swap. So we'd actually need to trade our Ethereum. So we'd want to buy some USDC, for example. So let's just say we went 1 Ethereum into USDC. So you would obviously I haven't got the balance right now. You would just click here, do the trade. Like I've showed you before, you can speed up the transaction. You do the same then for wrapped ETH. So obviously you trade 1 ETH for wrapped ETH. So then in your wallet then, so when we go into our wallet in the assets column, let's just connect this wallet again. So in the assets column, we'd end up having 1 wrapped ETH and 1 USDC equivalent of 1 ETH, which is probably about 1200 USDC, something like that. So then you've got the trade. I'd always recommend do a little bit more. So I'd do 1.1 ETH either side because you've got fees and things like that, etc. Once you've got that, then you just simply go to back to the pool, take a new position. Obviously, add liquidity, so you'd select wrapped ETH, and then the other token you select is USDC. So you can see showing us the pool now. It's found the pool. There we are. So obviously you'd put, let's just say we put 1 and 1, and then we would basically click by here once we're in. It'd be an option to add liquidity. Once your liquidity is added, we'd end up with a liquidity pool token. So let's just say we had 10 liquidity pool tokens. Obviously you could trade that anytime back for your token. So it's pretty much how you do it. Once you're in, then you can track it through here, through the pool. And obviously we would make 0.3% fee tier. Basically in the pool, you can see here, so best for most pairs 0.3, best for exotic pairs 1%. So showing us here what we can do. Obviously, so you'll make off the fees. Obviously, you're not going to make a fortune by going in stable pools, like I said, but it is safer. If you want to take more risk, obviously you'll have to do things like, I don't know, 50-50 USDC with some kind of shit altcoin, or Ethereum with a shit altcoin. But you are risking impermanent losses on your Ethereum. If you don't understand what that is, check that out. But it's basically where the other token drops and you end up losing your Ethereum based on that, because it needs to balance it out to keep the pool at 50-50. So just beware of that if you do go into some more of these exotic pools. Hope that helps, guys. That's module 4, episode 6. Tomorrow will be module 4, episode 7, which will be the last episode of the series. We'll move on to module 5 next week. I'll probably cover NFTs for that topic. Hope that helps, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow.